I'm not world famous yet for my singing. But I prefer reciting poetry, but this is a beautiful song. Mainly from the Cairn area in Connemara. And it's about a song where a woman decides to be buried where she belongs, in the Cairn area. I'm going to sing it in the Cortarian style, or in the Stiddle style. Because I'm from Stiddle. I know that. She's alive from Cairn, I know well who she is. Okay? But we have two styles of singing it, and I can only sing in the Cortarian style. And it shows you how important that song is to Norwegian, because there's two styles of singing it, which gives good respect to the song itself. We'll have a go.
Sawil Kerdium the sleigh, Lashin Taksha Sawil on Nahakokasto Adin the two Ladin Noel de Gra Ladin Conquo Behekshelen Kyo Skapet or blast the pause. Sagari man mo controlon as your sabon glor. Smata shamoin emwinish. Biachidianta on the bar. Biatorvines mahlokaran, Lakarias Wiham, Es Biatur Bano, Ortunesan, Land Mapping, the Host Kim Flar, Sahana, Mohlam, Samahalis. Only good wine Shabbat. Oh, Horadish, God don't of me. At Fatsi, Abasi, Allah. Oh, Horadish, God don't of me. It's my cabin of Hadish Lam. Cure Parik more Gumwinish may no scarrow about the law. Sculpture preach a canyon beyond the breath of wheel and soul. Snart to be let your calmly. Marniam Tom I have to be a sure Gomwinish may. Some not a queen for make a heart. Bain a side shell, not duchly, knee bang wang the sun. So the